Hey everyone, I'm Lindsay. I'm a model here at Tea for the Soul. We're going to do a fun little makeup look that I do whenever I'm behind the camera and behind the lights. It is just a good little brown smoky eye. It may not be the way you do it, but it's the way I do it, and I hope you have fun with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have tons of fun stuff coming your way. Let's do, the smoky eye that I normally do whenever I'm, behind the camera for pictures and videos. I think, it's fun, it's easy. I think anyone can do it. I'm just a mom who kind of doesn't know what they're doing, but I make it work. So let's get started. All of my makeup brushes are dirty because I'm a mom and my self-care routine involves naps instead of cleaning my makeup brushes. So the makeup brushes I use either came from, couldn't tell you, they're probably 10 years old, or they came in a kit that I got from Sigma that was recommended by a YouTuber who was paid to talk about them, but I believed her, and it turns out they're actually pretty good brushes. So I like them, I use them, I don't clean them. They still work well. So this is called, they're by Sigma, a lot of my brushes are. This is Sigma's Tapered Blending E40. It's just, fluffy. So I love this palette. I've had it for probably a month or two. It is by Morphe. It is their Bronzed Mocha 25B palette. I keep this little plastic thing that comes in there because I like to know their names sometimes. I'll tell you what I'm using today, why not? Okay, so this is just kind of what I do. Nothing fancy. I actually have some new products I've started using for about a week now. And I like them a lot. They're from Walmart. They're great. Where did you go? Okay, so I conceal my eyelids just a little. I don't use a primer. Sometimes I don't even do this. But I got this at Walmart. It is by Kokie. K-O-K-I-E. Kookie. I might be a little kooky, but I think it's Kokie. But I just kind of put a dab on each one. Now we're gonna go back to the eyeshadow. Like I said, Sigma E40 Tapered Blending, and I'm going to use the color Seek. It's called Seek. It's located right here. Sometimes I mix it to the one next to it, which is called Talk. It's just like a really nice, lighter brown, and I just really messy, and whenever I do this at home, I go very, very quickly. Y'all are probably going, oh girl, what are you doing? Just throwing on some eyeshadow. Why not? Then I go in with this brush. Eye shading. It's a Sigma brush, eye shading E55. And the collection of brushes I bought was their Jaclyn Hill favorites. Don't even know if they sell that. They might not be paying her anymore to talk about them. I don't know. Find out though. But these are the brushes. You can buy them individually. A little bit of this color. I don't always use shimmer, but sometimes I do. This color is called Character. And it's just like a nice, it's a little darker than champagne, but I just kind of put it on the inner lid. I'm just gonna move it out. Just a little pat it on. Pat, 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 pat. So in my crease, I'm going to use the color Quake. I like it. It is this. It's definitely has a red brick undertone, browns. Oh, and this is the E25 blending brush by Sigma. And I just get that in the outer corner. I kind of make a V. I honestly don't spend a lot of time blending. And then I go back and I use the first brush that I use, the tapered blending brush, and I just kind of go over that. That is literally all I do for my eyeshadow. And I think it looks absolutely ridiculous, but then when I put the rest of my face on, I think it looks okay. My eyeliner that I use is a liquid eyeliner. I love it. It's super inexpensive. I get mine at Walgreens. It's by that Jordania brand. Learned about this from a YouTuber also. It's definitely probably under $4. The Fabu liquid eyeliner, and I get it in the color black. I think they also have brown. But I just do this because I touch my face when I do it, so I don't want to put on my foundation and face stuff and then do it because I need to get on my hands. It's just the way I think, guys. And then I also do my eyeshadow before I do my face because y'all saw me wipe all that away. Like, I usually just kind of get it everywhere. That's pretty much it. So I just did the top. Now I'm just gonna go in and do my face. Sometimes I use a foundation. Usually I just use a BB cream. I found the one that I like is actually by Unique. I've tried others. Honestly, I have not tried a department store BB cream. I have tried drugstore ones, but this is just what I'm really liking right now. I use this dirty Sigma Flat Kabuki, the F80 brush. And then back to what I used on my lids, the Kokie Be Bright Illuminating Concealer in light medium. Oh, and the color of BB cream that I was using is Honey. So I actually have the lighter one, but that's just what I am right now. And I just put a lot of this on. And then I go back and I use my F86, the tapered kabuki, and it is just perfect for your concealer because you can just get up in there. Now I'm gonna go in and set them, and I'm obsessed right now with these IT Cosmetic products. So the Bye Bye Pores Pressed Translucent Powder is what I use under my eyes to set that. And I use this 12-year-old brush from Arbonne just to do that, because that's all I really, it's just what I have, guys. This is the IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation. This is actually great if you don't even want to wear a BB cream or a foundation. This is perfect to wear by itself. It has SPF 50 in it, broad spectrum physical sunscreen. Okay. It is a full coverage anti-aging hydrating powder foundation. I use this brush, Coastal Scents. I got it at makeup school. Don't remember anything from that though. And I just had it. It's just like a big flat brush, and I just. Okay. Then I have this product. It is new to me. I found it at Walmart by a company called Found. I have never heard of them, but this is great, I believe, if you are just starting to like really play with like contour. This is great. It was $11, I think, maybe $12, but I love it. And I got this shade 10. Oh, it's right there. Light medium. And it also has a picture on the back if you're new to contouring. But this is great to just play with and see how you like it. So you saw I just put the light one like right here on my Cupid's bow. That's what they call it. And then I'm going to go in with this brush by Sigma. It is the F35. It's a tapered highlighter brush. And I just blend these two browns together. Real sloppy like. I even do it here because I feel like I have a double chin. And then I go in with this other brush. Looks like this. I think it was from Coastal Scents too. The thing has worn off, and I just kind of put a little bit on my nose. I go back to the brush that I put on my powder with, and I just kind of blend it in. have this brush 12 years ago from Arbonne from a brush packet I got, and it's just like one of those angled brushes, and I use that for my eyebrows. Let's go ahead and do my eyebrows. Basically, I try and do my makeup in an order, but it's really just whatever I see in my makeup bag next, and I know I haven't put it on my face yet. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Brow Powder Duo in medium brown. I don't do my natural hair color because I would have these like eyebrows, and I just like them to be what they are, but just a little extra. Now let's add some blush. I am obsessed with this NYX blush in the color Hamptons. I'm already probably sweaty because I'm always hot. So there's that. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to finish my eyes. Let's finish my eyes. So I'm going to get the eyeliner that I had. I'm going to put just a tad on the bottom. I don't do it all the way across. I just do it in my lash line. I'm gonna use this Sigma pencil brush, the E30, and I'm going to use the same color that I used on my eye in that, like, the darker that when I did the V. And I just kind of get a little bit on my brush and I just put it all along my lash line. All right, good case of raccoon eye. That's exactly what I'm going for. Let's just call it what it is, call it what other people call it. I like it. You don't have to like it. This is my favorite mascara. I've used it for years. I've tried the expensive ones, but I'm like, I go through them so much. Let's get a $7 one or $8 one. This is L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise in Mystic Black, and it's in a rose gold tube. So that's good. I mean, sometimes I just kind of let that dry and then I add more because, like I said, I like a spider lash. For lip liner, I got a new one at the old Walmart, trusty Walmart. It is by the same Koki brand that my concealer is made by, and I got the color. I love a good, like, natural lip. This is 515 Warm Nude. Love it. It rolls up, which is great because whoever has a sharpener with them, you know what I mean? And then one of my favorite lip colors is Velvet Teddy by MAC. It is a nice, good nude. Here, I'll put it on my lip, the bottom lip, just so like you don't look too bare. But when I'm behind the cameras, I need something a little richer in color, and so this ColourPop Lippy Stick in the color Lumiere. It is a matte shade. I'm obsessed with this if I want something darker. It has like a little more burgundy pink in it. Shows up better on camera. Boom, there we go. So ladies, I hope you enjoyed that.